The first question
For Engineer Popo Cosalan, your question. Watersheds play a key role in maintaining ecological balance. Baguio is home to watersheds. What are your plans to reverse the deteriorating status of our watershed? I will repeat. Watersheds play a key role in maintaining ecological balance. Baguio is home to watersheds. What are your plans to reverse the deteriorating status of our watersheds? Engineer.
Thank you for that question. Well, of course, we need to preserve our watersheds. And doing so, also, we need to protect it from intruders. And you see, in Baguio City, we have a very complex situation. That is why we would want to review our city charter, not only the revised city charter. The revised city charter did not address the issue on effectively managing this and addressing the issues of preserving, protecting our watersheds. We need to look into the various issues such as claimants and actual occupants. And so, in doing so, we need to evaluate the existing policies. You know, there are already laws, existing policies and laws being implemented. And obviously, we can see that these are not all or effectively implemented or efficiently even implemented. That is why we have to evaluate, we have to review in partnership with our private sector as well as civil society organizations. Our water supply in the city of Baguio is now nearing depletion. That is why we need to move on, because we have also to look into other strategies in order to augment the present water supply of Baguio City. Infrastructure plays a great role. We need to look into the matter of requiring and promoting, encouraging the establishment, the construction of these rainwater facilities in all, including our residential structures, our business structures, and even in the barangay level. For instance, in the Buyog watershed, it would be nice to put up, establish, construct a rainwater harvesting facility in the lower part of Buyog watershed and in all other watersheds in the city of Baguio. Thank you.